now let's get into the new chapter, that is statistics. What is statistics? It is a branch of mathematics which works with the data collection, organization, analysis, interpretation, and presentation. It's basically collecting the data and organizing in the form of either graphs, pie charts, histogram, anything. Next, we need to do analysis, interpret the data, and present it in such a way that any person can get the maximum output from the data using the interferences of the data. For example, we have two graphs over here. One is the bar graph, which tells about the population in versus year. And next graph is about in the form of pie chart, and it tells about the number of students and what do the activities they are interested in. So in graph 1, we can see population versus year. As the year passes out, the population also increases. What can we interpret from this data? What can we do the analysis? By seeing this graph, we can tell the population is increasing, and we can also tell the poverty line about the countries if we have the country versus population data. From this way, graphs makes it easier to interpret the data and to analyze the data. Similarly, in the case of graph 2, that is the students are interested in different activities like singing. Out of 100%, 16% students are interested in singing, and in painting 30%, in dancing 10%, and in reading books 20%, and others at 24%. So from here, we can tell where the student actually lies in, like what is his interesting part and what does his activities are, his hobbies are. So from the graphs, we can tell the where the students are actually interested in. So this way we can analyze the student hobbies, and so that which helps us the easier to segregate them either in the annual day functions and like that. So statistics helps us to analysis and interpret the data, and we need to also present it in such a way that any person in the world can get the maximum output from the data. So let's get into the chapter.